heard all the stories last season.
Yeah, because David Kahn and Kurt gave me a real chance that I really didn't expect them to get in the NBA. But they came from nowhere and gave me the real chance I was looking for, so it was a reason for me to go.
You look cut right now. You look like you got the guns going.
It's, when I start lifting, I get muscle easy, so I didn't want to do too much.
Okay.
I did more like running and trying to shoot more than lifting. Because for me, lifting, in 2 or 3 weeks, I get too big for me, and then I don't feel comfortable.
Okay. So you think you're in running shape right now? Or
yeah. So I was trying to focus more on running and shooting the ball, and because lifting for me comes easy.
We're all season ticket holders, so we're diehard fans. Your first game, you check into the game, and the crowd, goes wild. How much of a different experience was that for you?
It was surprising. It was a nice feeling for me, and you guys gave me some kind of good feeling and some kind of confidence. Just coming to the game and not playing for almost all year long. So it was a great feeling. After that, it was tough season for us.
Yeah.
It was tough season, tough season, and tough when I came. It was end of the season was tough, only 14 games for us. So it was hard. It would be much better if we won some games and had a better feeling after finishing the season, but we couldn't do it. That's what we're gonna do this year.
I think our state relates to underdogs, and something in our psychology sees that we're pulling for you.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to do the best. Like I said before, I'm going to be happy as long as the team winning. I'm not going to look how many points I score or how many rebounds. As long as I feel like I'm helping the team in some way and we are winning.
Yeah.
It feels good for me. It doesn't matter you score 30 points, but the team is losing. You're going to be some kind of star, whatever. But the team is losing. After everything, you're going to look bad because the team is losing. So I hope I see all these guys. They all want to win. I don't see anybody in the team that want to lose. So I think we're going to do our best. It's tough. It's tough. The West Coast is tough, and those teams are tough. So we're going to have a mindset right from the beginning. First try to stop people and then score, because we can score. We're going to stop people first. Because if we don't stop,
How long have you known Pekovic?
I just met him here.
Oh, really? Aren't you from the same country? You guys never played together?
No, because I left. I came to NBA, and then he started playing the first league, so we didn't have a chance to play against each other.
You never played together for Serbia or anything?
No, because he's playing for Montenegro.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
We used to be together.
You guys just met like a day ago or something? Wow. That's wild.
Thank you.
One more question?
Life doesn't always work out the way you expect it to.
That's what I said.
About 9 months ago, you thought life was going to go one way, and now it's gone another. But what do you expect now that?
Yeah, for me, coming back here wasn't that. I'm going home. I'm going home to play. I'm just playing basketball. For me, it wasn't like I must play here. I must stay in the NBA. I can't go back. For me, it was regular. I'm going back to play basketball like I did here. So, and then, like I said, they gave me a real chance that I respected. So, there's no reason for me. I'm not mad at the league. I'm not mad at anybody. Like I just want to leave. I don't leave. I'm not mad at anybody. They gave me a real chance. So I said, thanks, guys. I didn't expect it. I never thought somebody's going to come after all I went through. Somebody's going to give me a real chance. I never thought it was going to happen. That's why I said, for me, only chance is to go back and play. I came from nowhere, gave me a chance. So I said, let's take it.
Real quick, you hit a shot last year, and I saw you look at your hand.
I'm trying to have some fun because it was a tough season for us. And, I was just trying to.
Is that because it was left-handed or something, or right-handed? You don't hit with the right. But you hit one with the right.
Yeah. I just put it in my pocket. so I was trying to make guys laugh. Have some fun.
I think it worked. It was good. All right.
Thanks, Darko.
Best of luck. We're all pulling for you.
Thanks, Darko.